Good afternoon, Ashland families. Dr. Jax, principal at Ashland, coming to you with our Friday Five. This week, we're starting up our Friday Five newsletter series again. We'll be trying to send notes home every Friday with updates, reminders, and upcoming events to consider. So let's go, Friday Five. I'll be doing this in video and also writing it out into the email so that you can read it. Number one, summer school. School is in session here at Ashland, and next week will be the last week of summer school. This is a central program, which means that we are instructing students from a variety of local elementary schools for the summer. It's great to see kids back in the building. Remember that a school is just a building unless there's students in it, and that's when it becomes a school community, and that's what it's all about, the kids. So I can't wait for them to come back. It's nice and quiet in some ways, but it gets boring. It's no fun without the kids, so I can't wait for them to come back. Number two, summer cleaning. Our custodians, led by manager Mr. Wilson, who is the hardest working and kindest person you'll ever meet. They have been working really hard around summer school, because we have a lot going on still, to make sure that we clean and disinfect and put that extra shine on our buildings, that when students come back, they know that there's pride and care and love put into making sure this building is prepared for them. So we want them to come back full time here soon, and we better get ready for them. Extra work this year has been doing things like taking off the 6-foot distancing stickers and reorganizing furniture that we moved last year. So they've been working hard. So if you ever see our custodians, make sure to thank them, please. Number three, continuous improvement plan. As a leadership team, this week we spent some time analyzing student performance data and writing new goals for where we need to focus on this year. I'll do much more on this soon and explaining what these goals are and what we're going to go with it. But very quickly, I want to let you know that we are taking your input seriously. You gave input on the surveys. Both staff and parents expressed how much they felt that social and emotional well-being should be a priority for our students coming up. I feel like that way as a parent as well. So we're reestablishing our programs and adding more specific, targeted steps that we can take for students to learn how to interact appropriately with each other, and ensuring that they have excellent relationships with both staff and students. So relationships should drive everything. We want to make sure that students feel comfortable in school and feel that they have the tools to be successful in their lives as well outside of school. Number four, August events. Coming up next month, we will be adding in events and additional communication for you, so stay tuned. And continue checking your email, both from the division and from me and from the school. All of our normal things we're planning on doing, so back to school nights, new parent orientation, popsicles with the principal, and open house. And I haven't sent the exact dates out for that yet because we're still waiting to see what the exact protocols will be for safety coming into the school year. They seem to be changing, but I know a lot of that can be decided at the local level. So when we know exactly what that'll be pretty soon, then I'll give you those exact dates for those things. So make sure to check those out and save the dates and participate as much as you can. One thing I want to let you know is that we did look at the t-shirts, so we're bringing back school t-shirts, making sure that every kid has a t-shirt from Ashland, and I'm excited to put that back together. Number five, safety. We're excited to see almost all our students deciding to come back into school in person this year. For those that chose the virtual only option, we will be providing a webinar and more information soon. For everyone else, stay tuned for more information from the school division and Superintendent Dr. McDade in regards to masks, distancing, and other safety procedures will be required to follow. At Ashland, there's a lot of things that we do that are on our own and that we really try to be cutting edge. But when it comes to safety, we follow those procedures and protocols, and we line those up with the school division and make sure that we're following those, and we support Dr. McDade in those efforts. So that's our Friday Five. I have more updates coming up next week, so continue to check out your emails and updates. We have things like working on the website, our parent handbook, hiring new teachers. We want to make sure that we are ready for you and your kids this year. So reach out to me if you need anything. That's all I have for now. Have a great weekend.